Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hakalai puai trek ujemang arjar khat khandai kala ai Khublei kerpang ya ki Paidbah nong thap vote ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ki bala Pynjop dan Buram ya uma Vincent pala uban mikmat kumu MP hakani ka kenti ka balai syaga yeng dorbar thau an jongkari unong ai kten ka Congress uba HM Shangpliang hakjing ekren bat kilat pathai kubor ula ai Khublei kerpang ru ya ki Paidbah nong thap vote ka Tura Parliamentary Constituency ki bala ai ya ki vote ba koridor jongki ya ukertong ka seng natura umukul sangma wala umshem lapoi syaga jingjop hagajo kapor uba Shangpliang ula yathu baga Congress kan sesyong ya kejing yalang Congress Legislature Party hagashitrik ujeleu arjar khat khandai ban ya theriatai halor ka election Lok Sabha badang shudep longshen.
Whichever way that the people have taken a decision, we will respect the mandate of the people. We respect the mandate of the people of the Shillong parliamentary seat for giving a very resounding victory to Mr. Vincent Pala. We also respect the mandate given by the people of Garo Hills to Dr. Mukul Sangma. Whatever votes that we have been given, we thank all the people who have supported the Congress. Now in the Northeast, we got only 3 seats. We need a thorough introspection. Like the Congress President Rahul Gandhi has taken a moral responsibility on the defeat of the party in the whole country. I personally feel, this is my personal feeling, that a very detailed introspection is required. Where have we gone wrong? Why have we gone wrong? What is wrong with our party? Is it the fault of the leaders, or is it the fault of the party, or is it some other forces that may have prevented the party into coming to power? So these are a lot of questions which I feel that we need to answer and we need to look into. We were 20, and by the sad demise of a senior colleague, Sri Clement Marat, we were reduced to 19. And had we got Silsila, we would have been 2020. So it is not a big difference between the single largest party and us. There's a difference of just 2 seats. So therefore, there's nothing to feel jeopardized about the scope of forming a government. We will be meeting among us. We will be looking into all aspects of contacting the friendly neighborhoods. All we need is just to connect with the friendly neighborhoods and try to see whether we can do something. Kamdei baong in keni ekabor. Okay, I would not like to use the word ban keni, to assert. You know, that's meaning keni means assert. It's not the way that we want to assert. Situations will lead to such a kind of understanding that we need to work together. There will be situations. You know very well what kind of events that gonna unfold in the days to come. So once those events unfold, meaning we will see how things automatically come together.